Today on How to Blindz, we're going to show you how to replace a Louvre on your Allusion blind. Firstly, we'll open the blind towards us. We're going to replace the second Louvre, so we'll detach the hangers from the carrier truck, starting on the right side. Then unclip the hangers that connect the two louvres. Do the same for the next Louvre along. And now we can attach our replacement Louvre. Clip the opposite hangers together and slot into the carrier trucks. Now we can reattach our final Louvre and slot into the final carrier truck. And that's how to replace a Louvre on your Allusion blind. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How to Blindz.